Good morning. Today we are going to begin part 5 of I Am Malala. That is the final part of the autobiography. You should have already made 5 predictions of things that you believe will happen in part 5, and don't forget to provide a reason of why you think those things will occur. After you've done that, we're going to preview just 2 words for chapter 24 entitled A Place Called Birmingham, and then you can go ahead and get started on the reading. And don't forget to answer the final question on the Google document for today's assignment. The first word that I'd like to look at is the word clenched. This is really done usually of your fingers or hand. And if your hand or fingers are clenched, they're closed into a tight ball, just like you see here in the picture. And the next vocabulary term is ICU. ICU stands for Intensive Care Unit. And the intensive care unit is a department of a hospital where patients who are dangerously ill are kept under constant observation. So there's always somebody there looking over them. All right, you are now going to dive into chapter 24. And once again, don't forget to answer that final question when you are done reading and then turn in your document. Have a great day.